Good morning students. Yes, class 8. Today in your math class I will teach you the same chapter 14 mensuration, and we were doing worksheet 3. So in this worksheet question number 1 to 3 we have already done. Now in question number 4 figure is given. So dear student, you will do the question yourself. I have written for you. In this question you will find the total surface area of cube and cuboid using the direct formula. So now I am starting with the question number 5. Open your book, worksheet 3, page number 239, and you will start with the question number 5. Now what is the question number 5? The dimension of an oil tin. Have you seen the oil tin? It is in the shape of a cuboid. Find the area of the tin sheet required to make 20 such tin. What are given here? Dimension means in question number 5 write down length of oil tin. Oil tin L, it is equal to 26 centimeter. Dimension word means length, breadth and height, and breadth of oil tin we can write it as B. It is equal to 26 centimeter. And thirdly, height of oil tin, it is given as 45 centimeter. आपने देखा होगा oil tin जो है उसकी height ज़्यादा होती है as compared to length and breadth. Now first of all we will find the total surface area of cuboidal oil tin. Here I mention the word cuboidal because it is in the shape of a cuboid. Total surface area of cuboidal oil tin, we will use the formula 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So put the values to L into B means 26 into 26 plus 26 into 45 plus 45 into 26. Student, you will calculate these values yourself. Already in first equation I have done the complete question for you. Now here you will calculate these three values and you will add these three to get the result. Multiplied by 2, it becomes in centimeter square. Your answer will become in centimeter square. And after that we have to find out total surface area of tin sheet. You will write tin sheet required to make such 20 tins. The answer you will multiply it by 20 centimeter square. So your answer will become in centimeter square. First of all you will multiply 26 into 26 plus 26 into 45 plus 45 into 26. Same two results, and again multiplied by 2 to get the total surface area of cuboidal tin. Okay. After that you will get the total surface area of sheet required. Means कि जिस sheet से आप इसको बनाते हैं we have to make 20 such tins, and you will multiply this total surface area by 20 to get the answer. Okay. Now you will do this question in your notebook. Okay. Now question number 6. A swimming pool is 20 meter in length and 15 meter in breadth, 4 meter in depth. Find the cost of cementing its floor and wall at rupees 35 per meter square. Now again I am changing here question number 6. Question number 6 is of the swimming pool. Have you seen the swimming pool? In the case of swimming pool we will not take the upper portion, means the upper level we will remove it. So first of all write down here, in case of swimming pool, length of swimming pool it is 20 meter. So write down all the entries here. Question number 6, see the solution. What is given here? Length of swimming pool, it is L and it is equal to 20 meter. Then breadth of swimming pool B, it is equal to 15 meter. Thirdly, height of swimming pool, it is H, it is equal to 4 meter. Now what we have to find out cost of cementing its floor. Floor means जो नीचे का फर्श होता है, and 4 walls are there. So first of all we will find the total surface area of swimming pool to be cemented. To be cemented. It is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL and we will subtract LB from here because हम जो उसका सीलिंग पोर्शन जो बिल्कुल ऊपर जहाँ पर पानी भरा हुआ होता है we will don't take this, only floor means first or 4 walls, 4 sided walls. So we will first write the formula for total surface area 2 LB plus BH plus HL and 1 floor हम उसको माइनस करते हैं in the case of this swimming pool L into B as area of a rectangular portion is length into breadth. So we will put the values as 2, what is here 20 into 15 plus 15 into 4 plus 4 into 20 and minus again LB 20 into 15. So we will calculate it as 300 plus 60 plus 80 minus 300. So it becomes 2 into 0, 8 or 6, 14, 440 minus 300 means double of it, 880 minus 300, it becomes 0, 8 minus 3, 580. So what is the area of swimming pool? First of all we have to find out the total surface area of swimming pool to be cemented. It is equal to 500. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपका, वर्कशीट आपकी 3 है ये. So it becomes and we have to again find out the total cost of cementing its floor and the wall at rupees 35 per meter square. But we have to find out total cost of cementing. So write down here the total cost of cementing at rate of rupees 35 per meter square means first of all we will find the total surface area of swimming pool to be cemented, that is 2 LB plus BH plus HL minus में आपका क्या आएगा 1 length into breadth and then multiply 2 20 15 जा 300 then 60 and 80 add all these 440 minus 3 into 2 880 minus 300 580 and now you have to find out the cost. Multiply 580 into 35, you will get the answer in rupees. Okay, the question is this. Now next question, question number है आपका 7. A cubical box with lid has length given. Find the cost of painting the inside and outside of the box at rupees 550 per meter square. Listen me student very carefully. In question number 7 I am writing for you what we have to find out. Do it yourself. In question number 7. In question number 7 student we have to find out total surface area of cube 2 times. Cube that is 6L square. Use this 2 times and multiply this by rupees. Multiply it with rupees 550 means multiply total surface area. You will get the answer. It is your homework question. Now I am taking again a very important question. Question number 8. 2 cubes of side 4 centimeters are fixed together. 2 cubes are fixed together. Listen me again. Question number 8. A easy question. Suppose these are the two cubes. Have you seen the dice? You play Ludo with it. See, these are the two cubes. When we join it, what happens? It becomes a cuboidal shape. Listen me very carefully. See this question also for homework. The side is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4 here. So student, what will happen? A new shape becomes cuboid. So we have to find out the total surface area of new solid form. So we will find the total surface area of cuboid H2LB plus BH plus HL here, and here L is equal to length become double, 4 plus 4 only 8 centimeter, breadth equal to 4 and height becomes 4. So this is also for homework and you will complete this worksheet. Thank you.